Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The USD continues to lose ground against most major currencies, although the fundamental backdrop remains unclear. The most popular narrative is that everyone is selling US assets and the greenback is losing its reserve status as a consequence of the aggressive trade war. Such big claims are generally made at tops or bottoms, so it calls for caution. Anyway, that's the trend for now, and we will need some catalyst to reverse it, although it's hard to know which one it's going to be given that things change on a dime lately. On the JPY side, the currency has been driven mainly by global events rather than domestic fundamentals. It's been supported more by the risk of flows rather than interest rates expectations, as the market doesn't see the BOJ hiking rates anymore this year. Now, on the daily chart, we can see the USD JPY continues its downward trajectory towards the 140 handle. If the price gets there, we can expect the buyers to step in with a defined risk below the level to position for a rally back into the major trend line. The sellers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking lower to increase the bearish bets into new lows. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that the price is trading near the recent lows. From a risk management perspective, the sellers will have a better risk to reward setup around the 144.56 level to position for further downside. The buyers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking above the 144.56 level to start targeting a bigger pullback into the 148.25 level next. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that the recent low around the 142 handle has been holding up pretty well. This is where we can expect the buyers to step in with a defined risk below the level to position for a pullback into the 144.56 level. The sellers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking lower to increase the bearish bets into the 140 handle next. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, this week we don't have much on the agenda and it's going to be shortened by the Good Friday holiday. On Wednesday, we have the US retail sales and Fetcher Powell speaking. On Thursday, we get the latest US jobless claims figures, while on Friday, we conclude the week with the Japanese CPI. As a reminder, the market is focused on tariff negotiations at the moment, so the data is not as market moving as it used to be in the past months.